Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The title says it all. How to convert XRP to USDT in OKX for 2025. Whether you're looking to swap your XRP for stable USDT to lock in gains or just manage your portfolio better, this guide will walk you through it step by step. By 2025, crypto exchanges like OKX are expected to be even more user-friendly. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have an OKX account set up. If you don't, head over to the OKX website or app and create one. It's quick and free. You'll also need some XRP in your wallet. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see all your assets listed. Look for XRP in your holdings. Now, to convert XRP to USDT, click on the Trade or Convert option. Depending on the OKX interface updates by 2025, it might be even more intuitive. Select XRP as the asset you want to convert from, and choose USDT as the target. Enter the amount of XRP you wish to swap. OKX might show you the current exchange rate, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Remember, crypto prices fluctuate, so timing is key. Before you confirm, double-check for any fees. OKX typically has low transaction fees, but they can add up, especially with network congestion. Once you're happy, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation screen, review it carefully, then approve the transaction. It should process quickly, often in minutes. After the conversion, head back to your wallet to see your new USDT balance. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication for security, especially in 2025 when crypto hacks might be more sophisticated. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to get comfortable. There you have it. That's how you convert XRP to USDT in OKX. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it could help you navigate the evolving crypto landscape. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.